Hello friends, welcome to my channel. Today I am talking about Bridget Mendler. Bridget Mendler is an American actress, singer and songwriter. In 2004, she began her career in the animated Indian film The Legend of Buddha, later starring in the film Alice Upside Down, The Clickaway, Alvin and the Chipmunks, the sequel and Labor Pains as a teenager. In 2009, Mendler signed with Disney Channel and played Juliet Van Heusen on Wizard of Waverly Place. Biography. Real name: Bridget Clary Mendler. Nicknames: Billy, Bridge. Profession: actress, singer, songwriter. Years active 2004 to present. Genre: pop, reggae, fusion, soul, R&B, indie pop. Instrument: vocals. Labels: Hollywood Records. Nationality: American. Sunshine: Sagittarius. Personal life about Bridget Mendler. Bridget Mendler was born on December 18, 1992 in Washington District of Columbia, United States. She is currently 26 years old. Ethnicity: white. She has German, English, Scottish, French and Irish ancestry. Religion: Christianity. Education: she attended Lafayette Elementary School for early education and then went on to attend the University of Southern California for studying liberal arts. In 2016, she graduated as an anthropologist. Mendler has decorated plants inspired by her mother, Doctor of Public Policy. Family about Bridget Mendler. Bridget Mendler father name is Harry Mendler. Bridget Mendler mother name is Leah Mendler. She has a brother. The name of her brother is Mick Mendler. She has a brother. The name of her brother is Mick Mendler. Physical statistics about Bridget Mendler. Her height is 5 feet 6 inches tall and her weight is 55 kg. Her eye color is light brown and her hair color is blondie. Her body measurement is bust 34 inches, 25 inches waist and hip 34 inches. Professional statistics about Bridget Mendler. She is famous for Good Luck Charlie television series by Disney Channel original. She played the role of Teddy Duncan in it. Debut album. She released her debut studio album Hello My Name Is on October 22, 2012 by Hollywood Records. The album was an international hit, peaking in a few countries as Poland, Australia, United Kingdom, France and Spain. The album debuted at number 30 on the US Billboard 200. The album's debut single Ready or Not was certified gold in Norway and platinum in New Zealand, United States and Canada and peaked at number 49 on the Billboard Hot 100. The second single, Hurricane, peaked at number 1 on the Billboard Bubbling Under Hot 100 in the United States and has been certified gold in the USA for selling 5 million copies. Film debut. As a voice actress, she made her debut with the 2004 animated film The Legend of Buddha, in which she gave voice to the character named Lucy. She landed her first acting role as Pamela Jones in the comedy drama film Alice Upon Down in 2007. Television debut. In 2006, Bridget Mendler debuted on television with a guest starring role on the American daytime sitcom General Hospital. Brand endorsement. She was featured in many Target's campaigns including Give With Friends, Summer Shop and Give With Target. Net worth of Bridget Mendler. Bridget Mendler has an estimated net worth of $2 million as of 2019. She resides in Mill Valley, California. Her favorite TV series is The Office, Community, and 90210. Her favorite food is chocolate and sushi. Her favorite song is Don't Think Twice and It's Alright by Bob Dylan. Her favorite book is Hamlet by William Shakespeare. Some lesser known about Bridget Mendler. Bridget's first Disney project was Wizard of the Waverly Place. Mendler got featured in Billboard's 21 Under 21 Music's Hottest Minors list in 2012. In 2012, Mendler signed with Target Corporation to release an exclusive line of clothing inspired by her character Teddy Duncan of Good Luck Charlie. In May 2017, Mendler was announced as one of the 2017 MIT Media Labs Directors Fellow. House and Cars of Bridget Mendler. I hope you enjoyed this video and don't forget to subscribe my channel and press the bell button for more updates. Thanks for watching this video. Hello friends, welcome to my channel. Today I am talking about Ursula Corbero. Ursula Corbero is a Spanish actress. She is best known for her roles as Ruth Gomez in the Antena 3 television series Física o Química, Margarita de Austria in the television Española television series Isabel, and Marta in the comedy film Cómo sobrevivir a una despedida. She gained international fame after her role as Tokyo in the Antena 3 series La Casa de Papel. Biography. Real name: Ursula Corbero Delgado. Nicknames: Ursula. Profession: actress, model. Years active: 2002 to present. Nationality: Spanish. Sunshine: Leo. Personal life about Ursula Corbero. Ursula Corbero was born on the 11th of August 1989, Barcelona, Catalonia, Spain. She is currently 30 years old. Ethnicity: Hispanic. Religion: Christianity. Family about Ursula Corbero. Ursula Corbero father name is Pedro Corbero. Ursula Corbero mother name is Esther Delgado. She has a sister. The name of her sister is Monica. She has many boyfriends. The name of her boyfriends are Israel Rodriguez, 2008 to 2010. Andres Belencosa, 2013 to 2016. Chino Darin, 2016 to present. Physical statistics about Ursula Corbero. Her height is 5 feet 4 inches tall and her weight is 53 kg. Her eye color is light brown and her hair color is dark brown. Her body measurement is bust 34 inches, 24 inches waist and hip 35 inches. In 2014, she won the Women of the Year award at the Men's Health Awards. Professional statistics about Ursula Corbero. Ursula is best known for her role as Ruth Gomez in the Antena 3 television series Física o Química 2008 to 2010. Margarita d'Austria in the television Pianola television series Isabel 2014 and Martha in the comedy film Como sobrevivir a una despedida 2015. Film debut. In 2011, Ursula made her film debut as Belen in the horror thriller film Paranormal Experience 3D alongside Amaya Salamanca, Maxi Iglesias, and Lucho Fernandez. Television debut. In 2002, Carbeiro landed her first acting role in the television series Miral Tuncat, where she played the role of Maria in 3 episodes of the series. Net worth of Ursula Carbeiro. Ursula Carbeiro has an estimated net worth of $3 million as of 2020. Some legend known about Ursula Carbeiro. Ursula entered the show business at a young age of 13 and appeared in television commercials before starting to act in TV series and film. In 2014, Ursula played Margarita d'Austria in the successful historical series Isabel. In 2017, Carbeiro landed a main role in the Heist television series La Casa de Papel. In 2019, Ursula appeared as herself in the Spanish comedy series Paquita Salas. In 2014, Ursula played Margarita d'Austria in the successful historical series Isabel. House and Cars of Ursula Carbeiro. I hope you enjoyed this video and don't forget to subscribe my channel and press the bell button for more updates. Thanks for watching this video.